Tensions simmers across Imphal Valley after reports of finding the 6 bodies believed to be that of 6 abducted civilians from Jiribam by Kuki militants surfaced in various news reports, including that of Indian Express, NDTV and other social media platforms. Aggrieved women vendors of 3 Quaidamband markets today took out protests over the death. The Asia's largest all-women market became the epicenter for the simmering protests. Vendors alongside local residents staged a protest at the market site, decrying the recent abduction and brutal killing of 6 individuals in Jiribam, which has sent shockwaves throughout the state. A brief tussle among the women vendors and Manipur police occurred as the police attempted to disperse the mob. Later, 12 representatives of women vendors headed towards Chief Minister Bungalow to meet the Chief Minister. Speaking to media, convener of Quaidamband Ima Kaithel Coordinating Committee, Laishram Mema maintained that remaining silent in the face of injustice under the illusion that heinous crimes do not affect us is not an option. She urged political leaders to set aside their personal interest and prioritize the protection and welfare of the state. Mema urged the central government to clarify the apparent disparity in law enforcement between the hills and the valley. She also called on the leaders who had vowed to safeguard the state to turn their promises into concrete action. She also boldly declared that she would be willing to take up arms herself if necessary in order to protect the state. She further asserted that it is not essential for the state to be directly connected with the central government, but it is crucial to safeguard the territorial integrity of the state. She also warned MLAs and ministers would not longer have a role or position if the state's territory disintegrated.
Manipur ini masih kita kami sunia betul ya apa tu ni mama kota ini mana apa tu ni orang oh ini lebih gimana ni dari saya sih mo apa itu kali lagi pak Similon tayo ba yan? Hindi ka dapat ni ano mo? Tauri ba tama kasi ni tayo no? Kasi ni nagyagawa.
Michael Sundalavi na kya to kuro asal mo yung ang sila kuro naniso sa may talo bane
lay ba ya bagi stage la wang la le madam di karigino haibada police station da refugee ina lairaga myoi taruksa koi puraga pharaga chakheba khudak ta moina central army thadal laga khudak ta moige madu phangna ba ta hotna bidya ba hujikti sire haiba ampham ama la e haidana miya puna mungar boi phangya ba imphal da di thoktri haibi abra kam chup chok chale du yok chala di akoi tumina lay ba ya ba tanja lairaktre party ki dola doli look ki dola doli aigi magi migi loina maktoga maitai haiba khunai maitai haiba laibak se koi kandaba yaraktre aduna darkar oira di hanurba ikoi chu nongmai paira ga igi leba ngak pagi stage la e aduna nongmai paira si haira choi khoi paira ane ba hu jike aduna maram oiraga ngasi ma sarkarna khoi gi MLA yankhai se yam thuna chungthan biro aduga thadana thadana ware lobiraga manipur se kannana ba hona minarsi singdana ama tamdana ama rule ama laibasi karigino haiba wahang se number 1 question state government amadi center government amasi gan chat pigadabani nongmai kaptharakana tampake mi halaga siriba jaga dudana combing operation tawba kapa iba jaga duna free thaba acha india government kari policy tawraga koi state government sinabano state government madu question sigi answer lawraga koi miyam da answer pigadabani iramdam kai graba manipur kai gradi MLA yankhai chu lairoi pham chu lairoi haiba se chimpa pubiu